All right, this question appears more frequently on SATs than ACTs, but I'm just going to show you how to do if a question is asking you for the products of solutions for a quadratic. So it's a very specific type of problem, but let's write this program. So we go to New, and we're going to call it Solution, SOLNPDT. Again, weird names because I can only use 8 characters. And in order to do this, we want the user to make sure that they have their quadratic in this form. So it's going to be AX² plus BX plus C to get equals. I'm going to do second math to get the test menu equals 0. Okay, so when it looks like this, we're going to prompt the user for A, B, and C. Now, we actually don't need all 3 of them, but I have found it just makes it easier to put them all in instead of wondering if, what was prompt? If you're missing information. Okay, prompt C. All right, now we actually do the math. So to get the solution product, it's actually just C divided by A. Crazy how simple it is, but not necessarily something you use all the time and difficult to remember. So we're going to store that to P, and then we're going to say program display the product of the solutions is, and then we're going to display the answer. So pretty simple program, but like I said, it's not something that a lot of people have memorized. Okay, so now let's double check and make sure that the program works. So we're going to go to solution product, and I have a quadratic that is in the form 1, it's AX² minus X, oops, let me make that negative, -1, and then -6. So the solutions to this are 3 and -2, so I should get -6 as the product. Wahoo! It worked. Congratulations. Please check out the other videos for some more TI-84 programs.